What is up, everybody? It is Sweet Crypto here. So I just woke up, and I'm gonna go over Splash Network, mainly for this video, and then I'm gonna also go over the cartel game. You know, the Animal Farm, Drip, uh, maybe Titano. I don't think so, but we have a lot of stuff to talk about. So first of all, tomorrow on Splash Network is called Splash Sunday. If you join my team, I will be airdropping everybody that has one splash or over to my community, so that will be tomorrow. Another thing, what the heck, $37 per splash? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, oh. I just want to look in here real quick, okay? I just want to look in here. $37. Oh. Oh my gosh. $16,183 worth. What? What? Guys, I only put $900 in this thing. What? Nah, that's nuts. That's nuts. We have $260 just waiting in here to be compounded. I do want to sell a tiny bit, not all of it, so I am gonna claim. But I'm not selling all of it. So I'm gonna sell maybe like 3 splash, just because it's at a $37 mark, and then I'll compound the rest of the 4 or whatever it is. So let's see here. Again, I'm trying to get my money out first, not first, but like, you know, over days I'm trying to get my money out. See, we can see 5. I'm gonna sell 3. I'll sell here. I'm trying to get at least, once I get $900 out, I'll just be compounding like almost every single day. And then after that, I'll basically, I'll just be compounding, and then maybe like once or twice every week I'll take a little bit out, maybe a couple $100 or something like that. But it's normally just compounded. And then But here we go. We have 2.6 left. We're just going to hydrate this. And we're going to confirm. If you hear my dog in the background, he's like choking on something. But we're going to deposit 2.6. So technically we're hydrating like half. See here, look at the minimum payout. It's going to go up. Eventually. Maybe I gotta reload it. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, maybe it already did it? Oh, did it not work? I'm confused. Oh, maybe I have to approve. Approve now? Oh, maybe I had to approve. Oh, shoot, my dog. Pecker! Come here. Come here. Sorry, my dog likes to go into my trash and try to eat the tissues in there. It's not a very good sight. Okay, so maybe I had to approve first. I've obviously deposited. But I thought I already approved, so I didn't need to do that. Oh, I'm so stupid. I pressed hydrate, didn't I? I pressed claim or hydrate, didn't I? I don't want to talk about it. Let's just not talk about it. That was probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. Okay, now watch the balances. Right here. Watch max payout. And should update. Yep, there we go. Jumped up a whole 20. Get 2% a day off that. Okay. Now, we're at, I want to see what the value we're at right now. So we are at like 16,152. Look at that, 16,288. That's compounding, baby. That's compounded. That's compounding. So join the team if you want to get a airdrop. Airdrop tomorrow. Splash Sundays. It will be a full day worth of rewards again, so That's like $360 worth of rewards. Or maybe like 250 worth of rewards, something like that. Over 200 for sure. And if this keeps on going up, maybe 500. So then it would be split between everybody that has a splash and up, which I think is like only 8 people on my team. So, you know, if I have like 300 worth of rewards in there that I just give, everybody's getting like 1 splash, you know, $37 or whatever. So yeah, join the team if you want. Link will be in the description. Like, my address will be in the description. So for example, pretend this is the description, right? I have my address right here. I'll say buddy address. You just copy this, and then you go to here, join the wave, and then you paste in here, and then you press update. That's basically what you do. All right, so Splash Up is going very, 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 very well. Before I forget, we got to move that 1 splash that we sold worth to one of my accounts. And the reason is because I'm trying to basically load up on that account to get my bunnies back. So I've put in 900 in here, and I think I've only taken out like $200 worth. Yeah, about $200 worth. So I want to get my 900 back just to know that I'm fully in profit. Yeah, it's cool. I have like $16,000 worth. But I still haven't got my money back. That's always something you want to do first. This has like 5.8, so yeah, I'm just saving up in here. I don't know how much AVAX is. I'm gonna blur the screen real quick, and then I'm gonna pull up the AVAX price really quickly. There you go. That's not AVAX, that's drip. So let's take a look at drip price real quick. $53. Yep, that's all I gotta say to that. Let's take a look at $90. What? $90? Oh shoot, we got 5.8 in there. Let's do some math right here. 5.8. Oh, that's like $500 in there. Sick. Yeah, so that's cool. Okay, so let's look at the cartel game now that we're done with Splash. I just want to see something really quick. Transactions. I think that was me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was me. Was that me? I'm pretty sure that was me. Yeah, that was me. We could see though, right after someone bought $90 worth and $400, 13. What the? What? This has to be the same person. They bought the same amount. 14 grand worth 2 times. What? 400, 900 bought? Guys, this is why this thing's mooning. Look at everybody buying. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyway, let's go to the cartel game. We're on Genesis 2 miners again. I've already covered this. It's basically 15,000 per miner. So that should drive the price of Coke up. That's the goal. And we did stake, I believe, 17,000 in here. And the reason is, oh, good, because I forgot to accidentally put these out, and I'm gonna be in a little bit of trouble. I'm gonna be in. Sorry, my voice. Okay, so first we gotta unstake these, no matter what the fee is. Unfortunately, yeah, that fee's really bad. That fee is so bad. That's like a $9 fee. But it's honestly worth it because you're making more money than the fee. But that just, it really just hurts. But while that's doing that, let's look at the price. Ooh, dropping under a penny. Hate to see that. Yeah, that kind of sucks. Okay, well, I mean, it's going to go through, it's up and down. I'm only making 6. What the heck happened? Oh, yeah, we got to restake these. Oh, my gosh, dude. That's like $18 in fees. Yeah, we're going to have to get some money back from that. $18 in fees. That's just unnecessary. How much will that give me? Because I do want to... Dude, I put $1,900 in here. Oh, shoot. I don't care. I'm swapping that. I've put in $1,900 in this thing. and probably like $100 worth of fees. I need to get some money back in case this thing drops. And from what I just sold, 0.6, can't say I'm not compounding when I literally put 17,000 coke in here, and I'm trying to get this up so then I could buy this. But yeah. So that being said, because I'm thinking with my farmers, right? With my farmers, I eventually can have like barely any farmers to spend on fees. I could just have tons of these, you know. And yeah, but we're gonna send that over again, just to, cause I've put in literally $1,900 in this thing. Like, it's not even funny how much money I put in there. Let's do that. Yeah, I've put $1,900, and the fees are just ridiculous on the AVAX right now. What happened to my? Oh, okay. Yeah, but what's this? 11 minutes. Jeez, dude, I talk too much. Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video. Yep. See y'all later. Peace out.